Hello and welcome to Cine Select. Below the popular chart and the glitchy new Netflix movie releases, there is a wealth of amazing movies that are just waiting to astound you. So if you are sick of spending hours scrolling through and viewing the same movies over and over again, this list is your quick guide to finding the finest Netflix films that you have not seen before but should right now. Number 5 is What's Inside.
Right.
Yeah. No. I don't know. What the f-
What?
Wow.
Yeah. Trippy.
And place them on your temples like...
It is a 2024 high-concept science fiction mystery directed by Greg Jordan. The narrative centers on a group of long-distance college companions who get back together for a pre-wedding celebration that devolves into psychological chores after one of the guests brings out an enigmatic body-swapping machine. What starts out as a careless casual game quickly reveals hidden drugs, fears, and shifting alliances, transforming the evening into a rapidly manipulated crisis of identity. Although the film's grandiose concept sometimes overshadowed personal depth, it boasts an exciting style and intelligent execution. Overall, it is an incredibly fascinating and tension-filled, but the climax is disorganized and morally troubling. Number 5, Night in Paradise.
회장님이 당하셨잖아.
뭐냐고? 무슨 티나는 구태가.
이제 진짜
It is a 2021 neo-noir criminal thriller that Park Han-jung directed. The plot revolves around Teo, an underworld assassin who declined to swap loyalty between opposing crime organizations, causing a chain of brutal responses that renders him with haunting to nothing lose. Running to Jeju Island, he waits it out while looking for a way out of the nation, where he meets John, a seriously ill lady carrying her anguish and separation from the outside world. What starts off as a short-term heaven gradually transforms into a reflective period in between violent outbursts. The movie strikes a mix between intense action practices and lengthy, depressing scenes that examine loss, despair, and the certainty of conscious sequences. Visually dark and expertly executed, the movie feels less like a standard vengeance story and more like an examination of fateful lives spinning towards an unstoppable end, providing a frightening and emotionally charged criminal drama rather than an ordinary action thriller. Number 3, Can.
Can't do that.
Okay, well, does it say my channel's live?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know what it is.
You stole my face, and now I'm going to get it back.
You stole my face.
Who is she?
Me and my inferiority
One,
contest. I'm not winning.
2.
Is a 2018 techno thriller directed by Daniel Goldhaber. The narrative follows Elise, a camp performer who is gradually moving up the ranks on a streaming platform until she learns that her account had been shut out by an exact replica of herself. As she attempts to take back charge of her identity, reputation, and means of support, the movie opens with a dramatic examination of digital character autonomy and the hazy boundary between act and reality. Rather than depending on superficial jump scares, Camp creates tension through mood and dread, employing sophisticated digital artwork and visual narration to represent how much technology influences our identity. Driven by a strong lead performance, the movie is a suspenseful thriller that managed to remain idle without killing away too much of its mystery while also making a scathing critique of the internet community. Number 2, Concrete Cowboy.
Your daddy got rules that you're not abiding by.
Be in my house. You want to wise up? You welcome back.
Welcome back to what?
I'm out here, man. I'm gonna get my money, and I'm gonna get up out of here. You with me or not, bro?
But them streets are made like him now.
I don't know who they expect us to go up.
It is a 2021 realistic coming-of-age movie directed by Ricky Starr. Based on the book Ghetto Cowboy, the film portrays an actual black urban cowboy neighborhood in North Philadelphia. The narrative centers on Cole, a disturbed adolescent, as he returns to stay with his father, who is firmly established in a solid community culture that upholds the city's dwindling horseback riding tradition. The movie subtly develops an emotional father-son connection focused on identity and duty as Cole battles characters the allure of the street with the order and honor he sees at the stable. Visually, it provides a clear distinction between grimy urban street and strong visuals of horses flying through them, laying the picture of a contemporary western vibe. Although the pacing is purposefully established and more focused on the characters than the story, it is sincere, powerful performance and subtle emotional beats make it a profound and sincere drama without using dramatic terms. Number 1, all quiet on the western front.
Schließen wir Frieden. Was kommt? Du musst jetzt tapfer sein. Für diese...
Directed by Edward Bergerer, this German remake presents the classic anti-war book in stark contemporary reality. Situated during World War I, the film follows teenage man Paul Baumer and his friends as they enlist with Patrol-Chill only to be devoured by the inevitable brutality of the battlefield on the Western Front. Instead of emphasizing large-scale military tactics, the narrative remains personal, depicting muddy battlefields, oppressive violence, and the psychological damage done to young people by mindless carnage. The film's uncompromising brutality, airy soundtrack, and stark cinematography all combine to create a mood that is both fast and intensely emotional. Compared to previous adaptations, this one also adds a more comprehensive historical viewpoint by diving into the political discussion that led to the ceasefire. It is an intense, aesthetically rich war drama that deprives people of their heroism and highlights the terrible toll that war takes.